Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to change your country on WeChat. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your WeChat. The next thing you need to do is to click on me right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on your profile name. Then head over to region, click on here. So from this point here, you can choose your new country. It's that simple. Once you select any of the country right here, then it's going to be saved into your WeChat account. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to simply change your country on WeChat. For more tutorials, tips and tricks about WeChat topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.